What's going on, mother truckers? There are so many truck drivers that I talked to that said that, look, if there was ever a situation, an accident, or anything like that, they would rather take it to their own hands than hurt anyone else out there. And that's what this mother trucker did right here. Motorists cut him off in San Antonio, and instead of him swerving into a whole bunch of vehicles, potentially hurting a lot of people, what does he do? He hits it to the right, goes off the interstate, drops down 40 feet, and you're looking at these video and you're looking at this picture and you're like, there is no way this man could survive this. Well, guess what? This Amazon truck driver doesn't only just survive, there's not even a scratch on him. And all I have to say is, man, you know, I don't know if it's Christmas or what, but there is an angel on you, mother trucker. And I'm so happy, that everything's okay. It looks so bad that you would think, man, this driver probably didn't make it, but you saved a lot of people's lives. And you know what? And everything's okay. Yeah, the tractor, yeah, the trailer is messed up, but you're going to walk away from all this and you have another day. Mother truckers, I just want to show just miracle things that are happening. Christmas is just this time of year where uh, the world's been crazy, but we need some good. And I'm so glad this truck driver's okay. Mother truckers, comment down below. But most of all, Merry Christmas. I don't care if you're on the road, if you're at home. I wish you health, happiness, wealth, everything in your heart's desire. I wish that for you and your family. I love you guys so much. Appreciate you guys.